Now, Romain Virgo today gives us beautiful tea. The artist made a post with a caption that today is officially one of the happiest days of his life. His first production is now available on all platforms. He shared with E-Prime more details on the song.
Well, Beautiful to Me is actually my very first production, which I'm so proud of. It's a beautiful song. It was inspired by my wife Elizabeth, and we introduced that song on our YouTube channel, and that was it. Now the song is out. We have a music video dropping tomorrow for the song, so just a beautiful feeling. I'm so excited to see the love that we're getting so far for this, my very first production.
Formerly known as Siobhan, has changed his name to Choir. And no doubt Choir has already grabbed our attention, as today he dropped a brand new single, Be High. It features Dancehall international sensation Cranium and Jamaican superstar Dexter Daps. Choir told E-Prime that the feel-good summer song was needed after the lockdown, and it was a breeze to work with Cranium and Dexter.
The collab came about at a time when the world was about to see one of the lowest 2 years I've ever experienced, as a means to inspire everybody to keep our heads up above it all.
Choir also spoke to E-Prime about his name change.
With defining my sound, which is an exotic soul, X-O-U-L, and a genre that I will confidently stand beside, and that is what Choir represents.
Be High is produced by Stax for Ineffable Music Group and is available across all digital platforms. And the mother of R&B superstar Beyonce, Tina Knowles, has been sharing some photos and videos from her recent trip to Jamaica. Now, in one of her posts, she quoted Bob Marley when he said, "Don't worry about a thing, every little thing is gonna be all right." She says that with all this beauty surrounding him, she can see why Bob said that. Now, Bob's three little birds could be heard playing in the background of the post. Lawson was not alone, as she was joined by former Destiny's Child singer Kelly Rowland and other friends for a well-needed vacay. I'm Deidre reporting for E-Prime.